Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can create your account in the Bitget. So let's begin the video. First you have to go to your browser and here you have to search for Bitget. Now you can see the second link, Bitget exchange crypto trading platform. Simply click on this link. Trade with 100 million users on Bitget. Here you can do the copy trading and you can also see here 24-hour trading volume and these popular coins as well. Here you have exchange where you can start your crypto journey, and here you also have this web3 where you can start your web3 journey. We can see Bitget wallet and swap and NFT. For starting here just you have to click on sign up and login. If you already have an account then you can go and you can log in, but as we are new here so I will just go with sign up. For sign up here you can continue with your Google ID, Apple ID or with Telegram. I will just go and I will click on sign up on the top. Here you have to write your mobile number or email and then the password, and you can also write here if you have any referral code, but this is optional here. Now here you have to select this item in this order for verification and then simply click on OK. Now here they have sent you a verification code on your email. Go to your Gmail and write this verification code here. Writing the verification code was the last step. Now here you can see that our account has been created. They also have a two-step verification process. I will tell you about it. Here you have this individual verification and business verification. I will tell you about both. Individual verification requires government issued documents. Face verification. Here the estimate review time is only 60 minutes. These are the requirements for an individual to verify their account, and here I have switched to business. Now here for business verification you have to verify your company's documents here. That's how basically both this individual and business verification works. Now here let's talk about the features that you have. Here you have buy crypto, market, trade. You can see here spot trading, margin trading, convert, Bitget swap, and here you can also see the future trading as well. And you can see here the boards and copy trading as well. Here you also have web3 and launch hub as well. I will show you buy crypto in a bit detail. Here I will go with the debit and credit card. Now here you can see that buy crypto instantly. Here you have to write the amount you are paying and the coin you will receive. So here you can choose between 15 to 10,000. I have just chosen here 100, and here you can see the coin amount that you will receive. Here you can also go and you can change the coin. Here you have many options for currencies as well. You can see here you have many options for currencies as well, and you can see here I have chosen here euro, and here you have many options for the coin as well. Here for the coin I will go with Trump coin, and you can see here just you have to write the amount you want to spend and the coin you want to buy, then simply click on buy Trump or whatever the coin will be. Here you also have peer-to-peer user agreement where you can exchange the currencies with the crypto directly. From here you can buy the crypto coin with your own currency, and you can also sell crypto coin to convert that into your currency. That's how this peer-to-peer basically works. Next here you have this quick buy. Here you can buy crypto in a few simple steps. Here you have to write the amount of money you want to pay, and they will show you the USDT amount that you will receive here. Here similarly you can also follow this process for selling as well. Next here you also have this third party where you can buy and sell through a third party. Here you can see for Visa you have here some of the third party providers, and for MasterCard you also have different providers, you can see here. And similarly here you also have many providers for this Google Pay. You can see you can choose any provider and you can do your trading. That's basically how you can set up your Bitget account, and you can use that. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.